Hey everyone, welcome back to Pot to Plate. Today, let's make some Eritrean and Ethiopian Berbere fusion chicken wings. After washing your chicken, set that aside and grab a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of Berbere spice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt to taste. Coat the wings evenly and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, cook them over medium heat for 30 to 40 minutes, flipping occasionally until they are crispy and golden. And that's it, spicy, sweet, and full of flavor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more. See you next time.